Da da da. A is for alligator, chomping with a smile. B is for bear, who can dance a while. C is for cat, with whiskers so sweet. D is for dog, with 4 happy feet. E is for elephant, trumpeting loud. F is for fox, who's clever and proud. G is for giraffe, stretching up high. H is for horse, galloping by. E is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, ready to run. K is for kangaroo, bouncing with glee. L is for lion, roaring, look at me. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for newt, crawling with ease. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger, with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, singing in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, shiny to see. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, who trots along.